Yo, once again, it's your boy CoreyO. You know CoreyO Cassette Classic Sounds. I'm back in the building, back on the map, doing the things that I do, doing the things that y'all like that. Alright? I just want to start off. I know y'all gonna be like this. Yo, Corey, where you been at? Alright, I'm back in the building, y'all. You know, this is volume what, 11, 12? Y'all know, I'll put that up in the comment. Think this is 12 right now. I'm up in here. I got a lot of things to talk to y'all about. I hope nobody call me because I don't even have it on airplane call. Please, nobody call me. All right, let's start off like this. Once again, it's my brother E. Kim. Love him to death, man. Yo, I see you on my birthday, E.
DJ Weezy, E. Kim to the west side.
Yo, my man E like to start it off slow, or my DJ like to start off slow. I'm just like, go get in there and get busy real quick. Like, let me hit y'all real quick. This is me. Hey, hey, hey.
Didn't know how to break through to you when your heart and mind. But now
Oh, my God.
I couldn't get you.
What I'ma do?
But now
Y'all know who it is.
you wanted to be my lady.
Not my girl. Meant to be my lady. Not my girl. Look, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pump it up, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pump it up, 1, 2.